Welcome back to week 3 on SpotterEDU's lecture series of opening lines of communication. As all of us have experienced during this new norm, classes are changing daily, whether it's hybrid learning, in-person learning, or strictly online. Taking attendance has become a major issue. As we all know, attendance directly leads to higher GPAs along with retention on campus. Our platform allows you to use beacon technology or QR code technology in order to log attendance for your students. As we've learned last semester, how a class starts might not be the way that it finishes. Maybe you start online and then end up in person, or maybe you start in person and end up online. Regardless, even if you have a hybrid model, SpotterEDU organizes and aggregates all of your attendance data in one central location, allowing for your registrar's office, your financial aid office, your advisors, or anyone else who needs to get accurate information about attendance to simply get it in one place very quickly and accurately. This also goes along the lines if issues arise on campus about contact tracing that we are going to get into more next week. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to speaking next week.